I did have a question
Exactly, and that's why I told him, I was like, look, he's perfectly fine. He's not bothering, just more for information. Like I said, I'm approaching you to see what you're trying to.
though. No, you've been nothing but professional and cordial, so I appreciate it.
Yeah,
I did have one question though.
Yeah.
The guy on the moped, is he here to do his M1?
Depending on the CCs, it'll probably be an M2.
What is the M2?
It's less, under 125.
I know, but what is the difference in the license? Like, what are the requiremts?
It just depends on the CCs.
Yeah.
Yeah, depends on the CCs.
So if to get an M2 on a license, I didn't know that was a thing. I've heard of M1 and then there's it.
Yeah, it
C
just
class.
depends on the CC of your motorcycle that you're testing.
Hey, so is it an easier test then for less?
No, same test.
Same test?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.